So I had an idea to draw neighbor's cat for some time. She's almost always around when I come home from work. My grandfather even made a small rest place for her and her friend next to my parking place. So she sleeps there often and greets me in the morning. My grandfather even made a small rest place for her and her friend next to my parking place. So she sleeps there often and greets me in the morning. She even jumps in my car sometimes. That's how friendly she is. So I grabbed my pencils and from some reference started drawing her. Black and white, but with a little bit of twist at the end. This is how it went. And there she is, 7 p.m. She's right where I would expect her to be. Friendly as always. Okay, let's finish this drawing with some colored pencils for the eyes. I thought it would be nice contrast and good way how to draw attention to her eyes.